Hi Food Heroes! Miss Jennifer here with another Food Hero nutrition lesson. Today's lesson will be all about MyPlate. In this video you will learn what the MyPlate is, why we should choose MyPlate, where foods belong on the MyPlate, and at the end I will share a Food Hero recipe that you can try making at home. So let's get started! MyPlate is a reminder to eat healthy foods from all 5 food groups. The 5 food groups that make up the MyPlate are fruits, vegetables, protein, grains, and dairy. It's important to build your meals and snacks using foods from all of the food groups to get the nutrients you need to help you grow, play, learn, and stay healthy. To help us build healthy MyPlate meals, we first need to learn which foods belong in each food group. Let's start with fruits. Examples of fruits are apples, bananas, grapes, oranges, cherries, blueberries, kiwi, and watermelon. Can you think of other fruits? When choosing fruits, it's important to focus on whole fruits. When we choose whole fruits instead of drinking fruit juice, we get more nutrients and fiber. Examples of foods that belong in the vegetable group are carrots, cauliflower, lettuce, potatoes, mushrooms, tomatoes, squash, and broccoli. While you might have a favorite vegetable you like to eat, it's important to vary your veggies because different vegetables contain different nutrients our bodies need. Protein foods are important because they help build our bodies. Foods like beef, chicken, eggs, ham, and fish like salmon and tuna are examples of animal protein foods. We can also get protein from plants, such as beans, nuts and seeds, and tofu. I have a rhyme I like to use to remind me which protein foods are healthier for me. Go lean with protein. That means choosing protein foods that have less fat, such as chicken, eggs, and fish, and are plant proteins. To help give our bodies energy, we need to be sure to include grain foods, such as rice, oats, and pasta. Flour is made from grains, and we use it to make foods like bread, muffins, and pancakes. Masa is a grain made from dried corn. We can use masa to make tortillas. Not all grains give our bodies the best energy, which is why we should choose whole grains, because they give our bodies better, longer-lasting energy. Try to make half your grains whole. You might be wondering, how do I know I'm eating a whole grain? You can look for this yellow stamp on the food package when you're helping your adult shop for these different grain foods. Have you seen this stamp before? Dairy foods help us build strong bones, which is really important for kids as they grow. Examples of dairy foods are milk and foods made with milk, like yogurt and cheese. Other types of milk, like soy milk, count as part of the dairy food group too. We should choose low-fat dairy foods because they contain the same nutrients but less fat. Nice job! Now that you know which foods belong in each food group, see how many food groups you can find in your next meal. And remember, it's important to choose MyPlate and balance your meals with all 5 food groups so that you can get the nutrients you need to help you grow, play, learn, and stay healthy. One of my favorite Food Hero recipes to make for lunch are the sunshine roll-ups. Let's take a look at the main ingredients and see how many food groups we have. Chicken, celery, mandarin oranges, whole wheat tortilla, and lettuce leaves. Now, let's put each food where it belongs on the MyPlate. Chicken. Great, a protein food. Celery. Goes in the vegetable group. Oranges are a fruit. Whole wheat tortilla. A grain. Nicely done. And lettuce. Another vegetable. Oh, looks like we are missing dairy. What dairy food would you include to make it a complete MyPlate meal? I think I would enjoy my sunshine roll-up with a glass of milk. There, now we have all 5 food groups. For the sunshine roll-ups recipe, be sure to check out foodhero.org. There, you can also find other recipes to help you build MyPlate meals. Have an idea for your very own MyPlate meal? Draw it using our online coloring tool. Excellent job today, Food Heroes! You earned your MyPlate stamp. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.